Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the storage section. In SD card, tap on these three dots, select format, and then format and erase. Then confirm your pattern, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.